Here's a quick tour of running AI Power workflows in the Automa extension. And the best part is, no code is needed. So the Automa extension handles structured data, while AI Power understands unstructured text, things like comments, reviews, and emails. On the canvas, you'll want to add the AI workflow block. Then, click Configure AI Power Token. A pop-up will ask for your token. If you don't know it, just hit Open AI Power Settings to jump to the token page. If it's your first time there, you'll need to create an AI Power account, as it's separate from Automa. After signing up, you'll land on the token page, and you can copy the token from there. Next, paste the token into the block. Once it's validated, choose a Publish Workflow from the drop-down menu. If the drop-down is empty, you'll need to create a new workflow and publish it in AI Power. Now, in AI Power, you can easily build workflows by dragging and dropping steps. You can handle text, large language models, images, audio, video, file processing, data processing, code writing, HTTP requests, logic branching, and more, all in one place. Visual debugging lets you watch data flow through each step and verify execution logic in real time. Inputs aren't automatic. They come from the input steps you add. Add one input step, and your workflow exposes one parameter. Add two, and you'll see two parameters. Name them clearly. Those names become the input fields you'll map in the extension. Pass either constants or variables from earlier blocks. Outputs work the same way. Whatever you send into an output step becomes a returned field. Define one or many output steps in AI Power, then map those returned fields to Automa variables and reuse them downstream. In this demo, we're going to loop the AI workflow to batch scrape Amazon reviews for a product URL. We'll then send each batch to AI for analysis and write the results to storage, specifically to a table. At runtime, you just paste a product link, run it, and then open the table to see all the analyzed reviews. For more ideas, you can check out our Help Center use cases, which include things like knowledge bases, databases, and multi-channel processing. Or you can copy templates directly in AI Power. If you have any questions, feel free to ping us on Discord. That's it, you can try it today.